Is AI going to replace you as a virtual assistant? This isn't a small question because this could impact the future of how you work as a VA, how much you charge, the kind of services you offer. So stick around because we are breaking it down in a way that's real, practical, and helpful. Now let's get started. In the past few years, the world has gone from barely any AI tools to AI everywhere. I mean, every day when I wake up, there's a new AI tool. I'm talking ChatGPT, Cloud. Recently, I came across, is it Nano Banana Pro, the one by Google? I mean, there are so many. And the work that they're doing is work that we can do as VAs and will have you thinking, how will this impact my job? But AI isn't magic. It's software trained on massive amounts of data that can generate text, it can answer questions, and can even create content. But here's the key thing: AI is a tool. AI is not a human being, it's a tool. That means while it can assist, it still lacks intuition, it doesn't have emotional intelligence, and it doesn't have real human experience. But let's answer the big question: will AI replace VS completely? No. The short answer is no, not completely. However, I must state that certain aspects of the VA job, they are definitely at risk because AI is incredibly fast. It's cheaper to routine. For instance, repetitive tasks like basic data entry. AI is good at that. When it comes to transcription, AI is doing that amazingly. Simple email filtering. Have you guys seen what AI can do? Calendar scheduling. AI is doing all of that. Let me not talk to you all about basic research because you know how it goes. All of us are researching on ChatGPT. AI can do that in a chap manner. And this is why I'm so against starting out as a virtual assistant and saying, I want to focus on data entry as my niche. I mean, in 2026, come on now, don't do that. And I know it can feel a little bit unsettling because you're hearing all of this and saying, that's what I help my clients with. But the twist is that that's what AI is meant to do. It's meant to automate. That's why tools like ChatGPT, they help with taking away the heavy lifting. Now, the job of a VA, it isn't just repetitive work. It's relationship building. It's problem solving. It's judgment. And that's the stuff AI can't fully do. But let's flip the script. Here is what AI struggles with and where you can still shine. The first one is complex human interaction. When it comes to reading between the lines, understanding the tone, AI is lacking in that area, unless you feed it those details. And the second one is strategic thinking and planning. Now, because you're a human being, you're experiencing life, even if AI gives you this long term plan, you can still leave it out. But you know how planning goes. You will meet obstacles here and there, which AI doesn't see coming. Now, the third one is high trust tasks. Because of the nature of AI, you guys know AI is a taker. It's always taking our data. And so when it comes to dealing with sensitive emails, a client may say, this is a job for a human being. That's where you come in as a virtual assistant. The fourth one is creative judgment. I'm talking about real authentic writing. This makes me think about the people on Substack. Have you guys checked out Substack? You should go on there right now. People are writing like from a very, very creative aspect. You see, there's a couple of things that AI can do with drafting text and all of that, but it doesn't have that human touch. And that matters a lot. It matters a lot. All right. Now let's get practical. If you want to future proof your work as a virtual assistant, not just to survive, but to thrive, here are 5 strategic actions I think you should take. The first one is to become a strategic partner. You have to position yourself not just as someone who executes tasks, but someone who understands goals. For instance, ask yourself, what is the real end result my client wants? How can I help them grow? Not just do tasks. You have to think about that. You have to offer suggestions at work, guys. You have to speak up. It's not just about sending emails. You have to think, how can I build an engagement campaign with these emails? Clients have to think about you at the back of their mind because you offer insight, not just execution. The second one is you have to use AI, but with a human touch. Now, AI is not the enemy. You can use all these tools like ChatGPT to draft content, to summarize data, to brainstorm, but always add that human touch. You have to add it. AI can give you the bonds, but you have to give the human personality and context. So if you intend to use it, keep that at the back of your mind. The third one is to build industry or task expertise. Oh my God, that word is killing me. You want to be known for something in the industry because general skills are the easiest for AI to imitate. But if you think about yourself as a specialist, I'm a tech VA, I'm a content VA, it's much harder for AI to replicate that. So think about becoming the go-to person in your niche right now. The fourth one is offer high trust services. You have to think about yourself as the kind of person who offers trust services, the kind where you're offering empathy, nuance, you offer maybe personalized customer service, you onboard clients in a certain way, you're a community manager. You have to think about yourself like that because when you tailor yourself as an individual who offers real human connection in a world where AI is spreading, you stand out. You stand out as a virtual assistant. The fifth one is to charge for outcomes, not only hours. We talked about pricing in a couple of videos ago. Keep that at the back of your mind because AI will speed up those specific tasks. Now imagine you've been charging hourly. How about you start charging on the value delivered? So instead of saying, I'm going to charge for 5 hours, you say, I'm going to help you with your inbox management and I'm going to offer this particular value. Now, before we wrap it up, here's a small action plan you can start out today. Pick out one AI tool you want to learn this month and then ask AI to also do a SWOT analysis task on your VS skills. You also need to update your portfolio, guys, and CV to include an AI clause in scenarios when you apply for a job and they ask if you're conversant with AI. Then you need to always speak up, share tips with your clients, show them how you can always stay ahead of different things and focus on building trust and relationships. That one is very key. I'll end with this. AI is not the death of the VA industry. It's transformation, in my opinion. If you adapt, you specialize, and you bring human value into everything that you do, you can survive, you can thrive. So guys, if you like this video, feel free to share, like, subscribe. I know there's a friend of yours who has been saying, I want to start out as a virtual assistant, but I don't know where to begin. You should tell them about the remote chic. Tell them to come on here and watch the videos under my playlist about starting out as a virtual assistant. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.